Yes, consider one more example. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to chemical C1, 50 to chemical C2, and 30 to both chemical C1 and C2. Find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not C2, chemical C2 but not C1, chemical C1 or chemical C2. So let us assume that A is the set of people exposed to chemical C1 and B is the set of people exposed to chemical C2. Because here we have to find out number of people exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2, or it means we have to find out the A union B, because or means the union. So this implies here 200 is the set of universal set. So number of elements in the universal set is equal to 200. Number of elements in the set A is equal to 120. Number of elements in the set B is equal to 50. And 30 people are exposed to both chemicals C1 and C2. So number of element in A intersection B is equal to 30. Now we have to find out the number of people exposed to chemical C1 but not C2. So this we will explain you with the help of Venn diagram. Means exposed to C1 but not C2 means we have to find out number of elements in the set A but not in B. So it means we have to find out this shaded portion, because this shaded portion is the set of elements of A which are not in B. So from this Venn diagram we find out that number of elements of the set A is equal to number of elements in A minus B plus number of elements in A intersection B. Because this circle is the set A, so it consists of this shaded portion and this common portion, common to both A and B. So this common portion is A intersection B. So from this Venn diagram we see that in this shaded portion is A minus B, means all the elements of A which are not in B. So from A we subtract B. So this is the shaded portion A minus B plus A intersection B. I hope it is clear to all of you. So number of people exposed to C1 but not C2 means A minus B. So from A we have to subtract B, means number of elements of A minus number of elements of A intersection B. So put a value 120 minus 30, this gives you 90. Now come to the second part. Second part is number of people exposed to chemical C2 but not C1. Again we explain this with the help of Venn diagram. Chemical C2 means the set B2 but not C1 but not A. So all the elements of the set B which are not in A, means we have to find out B minus A means this shaded portion. Now from the Venn diagram we find out that the set B is equal to NB minus A means this shaded portion plus this common portion means NA intersection B. So NB minus A is equal to NB minus NA intersection B. Put up their values. 120 minus 50 minus 30 is equal to 20. Third part, number of people exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2 or means union. So we have to find out A union B. So apply the formula, and A union B is equal to Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. Put up the values, we get the answer is 140. Now consider one more question of 7 of your exercise 1.6. The question is, in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? And how many like tennis? So in a group of 65 people. So from this question, we find out that all the people like either cricket or tennis. So it means 65 is C union T. Here C we assume the set of people like cricket and T we assume set of people like tennis. So C union T consists of elements 65 and 40 like cricket. So NC is equal to 40. 10 like both cricket and tennis. So C intersection T is equal to 10. We first find out the solution of the second part means how many like tennis. So it means we have to find out number of elements in T. So and apply the formula, NC union T is equal to NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. Put up the values. We get number of people like tennis is equal to 35. Now second part is how many like tennis but not cricket. Come to the Venn diagram. People like cricket but not tennis. It means we have to find out this shaded portion, and this shaded portion is C minus T. So and C minus T as we done in the last example, and C minus T is equal to NC, or from the Venn diagram you also find out NC minus NC intersection T. From this circle, we subtract the common portion. So we get 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. So 25 people like tennis but not cricket. So with this you can complete the exercise 1.6. If any problem is there, you find out any problem, then free to write down on the WhatsApp group. That's all for today.